WEEX is running a huge competition with a prize pool of up to $880,000. There's only 1 day left for submission. We're looking for 4 to 5 people to join the Moonwalkers, where we want to develop the most profitable, the most awesome AI trader in the world, and obviously on the moon. I need programmers, I need traders, I need quants to go to the link in the description down below to the AI trading competition, which will take you to this page. I need you to register as a hacker. After you've completed your registration, go to the link below it to the Moon team. Click this link, you will come to the Moonwalkers team. There will be a button here that allows you to message me, CryptoKid, myself, directly. And if you have the abilities to program, to trade, to engineer AI trading bots linked to exchanges, message me. 4 to 5 people only. We're going to work together to develop the best trading bots. You need to have a WEEX account. You can create one in 40 seconds with the first link in the description to get the best bonus available.